Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Once again I am back with another new reaction video and we are again watching Fear Family vlog and the title is First Class on Indonesia's first high-speed bullet train Whoosh. Okay, so before starting the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button, drop a lovely comment, and this is Shad Makan from India. So without further ado, let's start the video.
That the president said. This one.
Oh wow!
Today we are riding first class on the bullet train from Jakarta to Indonesia's second largest city, Bandung. Inaugurated on October 2nd, 2023 by the Indonesian president, the Whoosh bullet train is the only high-speed train in all of Southeast Asia and the second fastest in the world. Traveling at speeds as high as 385 kilometers per hour, we are excited to try out this new evolutionary train ride experience.
So currently we're getting escorted to the VIP room, which is pretty cool. Alessandro! Thank you.
Come. Want tea? Do you want to try Indonesian traditional food?
Yes.
Oh, Indonesian traditional food, okay?
I love it.
Little bit sweet.
Yeah, it's a little bit sweet.
What do you call this?
Yeah, I like this one. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is apple, and it's like a muffin.
Oh, my
It's
friend.
not too sweet. It has a little bit of a cinnamon. Good.
But the unique one is this one.
Is this one? I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah.
And what is this called? Is it nasi?
Pardon?
Is this
Yeah.
with nasi?
Yeah, but sticky rice.
Okay, nasi.
That looks really good. Ooh.
With
Oh,
coconut.
It's really good.
With coconut.
It's very savory.
oh.
So one of the great benefits of having first class is that you don't have to do the line. So they just come, get your stuff, and they just skin you right in. So that's pretty awesome that you get to skip the big line. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm so excited. You
What
ready,
about you,
Alessandro?
Alessandro?
Yes.
And you, Giselle?
Yeah, I'm more than ready.
Okay.
Platform?
Escalator so that we can go upstairs.
Oh, yes.
All right, so we have made it up to the platform. We are going to board the train. We are looking forward to this amazing experience. So far, the hospitality here has been so good. Hello. Hi. Everyone here is so polite and so welcoming. I think this is going to be a great train ride. We're really hoping.
I agree.
From everything that's been happening so far, we've got great expectations for the Whoosh.
Is about to leaving. Passengers on the platform. The train.
Hello.
Thank you for your attention and cooperation.
Come check this
Wishing
out.
a pleasant trip.
This is the first class car on the bullet
Oh,
train.
first
in
class. फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम वॉचिंग फर्स्ट क्लास कंपार्टमेंट कॉज मैंने अभी तक जितने भी देखे हैं वो मिडिल क्लास थे. फर्स्ट क्लास में फर्स्ट टाइम देख रही हूँ. Okay.
a seat in the first class on Whoosh. Look at how much legroom the seat reclines. I love the headrest. But one thing that this train is missing is Wi-Fi. So this is the one the president sat in. Smells official. Well, that was a fast but really nice experience. We had a great time on this Whoosh ride. Time to explore a new city. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Awesome, right?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
I felt like we weren't even moving.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वी फर्स्ट एंड छोटा सा व्लॉग था बट रियली अमेजिंग, बहुत अच्छा था एंड मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा बिकॉज मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास का फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था, जैसे कि बताया मिडिल क्लास का ही देखा हुआ है, तो ये देखने में अच्छा था एंड आई होप आपको भी अच्छा लगा। सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा ना, इंशाल्लाह मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।